Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which asks for design a party mask. So it's basically the kind of mask that people wear when they are into a get together or any kind of ceremony for which a party has been organized and they wear fancy clothes. Okay, so this is mostly a Western culture, derived from the Western culture and their practice that they wear a mask while into a party or they are trying to dance with other uh, people in the same party. Okay, so first we will try to make that basic shape, all right, uh, of the kind of shape we need to develop. So we can also choose a different color to make the sketch itself. So if we want to create a place for the nose, okay, and then for the eye section, these are the other design elements that can work as a like uh, design that on the top of the mask. Okay, remember whatever you design, it shall not be way too heavy, so and because it needs to be owned by a person, so then you can consider certain accessories on this side and that can more or less give shape to your mask. So then you can fill colors in the respective areas to get that entire mask ready. Okay, after that we can think of certain designs to make the mask look interesting. So suppose we make certain borders. Just a minute. So here we can think of certain golden borders that can help aggregate the design of the mask. So you see now the mask starts looking interesting. Here also we can create this. After that we can take a lighter color and make a shape like this here, and suppose a different color in this way to create and add some drama. Alright, then you can fill these areas and this can make our mask ready. And finally some ornamental decoration. So we can think of certain guidelines like this. In this way, so you need to understand like where and how the design can work well, so that it doesn't look too crowdy or too busy. Okay, after that a tint of white can do well. So it's all about your color sense and design sense, like how you are willing to make the design look much more attractive, like which color can work well. And at what places. So thus you see our mask is ready, which can be worn into any party. And this is how you need to create a design when you have been asked for to design a mask for a certain context. You can always try other designs and other color combination, but make sure your design looks interesting and pleasing and appealing, and those who would see the design would feel like wearing it. So I hope this helps you understand the process of designing a mask. Thank you.